Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. This is Kellen with Dreamedia Home Theater. You've already seen all the videos of us unboxing for this huge project just outside of Nashville, Tennessee with the Focal 1000 series. If you haven't seen those unboxing videos, make sure you click the link up there. Today is going to be how to install a Focal 1000 series Utopia LCR. We're going to be installing the right channel in a vertical orientation today. So stay tuned. We'll get right into it after the intro. All right guys, welcome back. This is the how-to video on how to install the Focal 1000 series Utopia in-wall speaker. Some quick tools that I'm going to use for today's install is just a low Torx screwdriver. This is from DeWalt. It's pretty nifty for doing just normal things that you would do with the screwdriver, but it's not going to be as powerful as like an actual drill. We have a little small 8-inch level setting over there to finish everything. Luckily, we've already did the pre-construction brackets and got those all level, so really won't have any issues there, but it's always nice to double check after the work is done. I have some fine point like scissor pliers just to clip the wire, just real handy to have, honestly. And then we have some wire strippers to connect to the push terminals on the back of the speaker. So we've already had and unboxed the speaker itself. We went ahead and pulled out the speaker grill as well, because those are getting painted by some other members on our team. So nothing too special in there other than the Allen wrench or Allen key that's used to tighten the dog legs on the back of the speaker. So real nifty over here. I have some hex heads that go into the end of a screwdriver. So you'll just need to find the exact size that matches, but these are chucks that go inside of your drill, and instead of having to tighten these things a little bit at a time by hand, you stick one of these bad boys on the end of your drill. Makes quick work of the install. These exact ones are from Al Tools. Just another quick little tool that we keep on hand. So first I'm going to prep the space. We already have the pre-construction brackets installed. Obviously they drywalled, they painted, they cut these holes out for us. Our job is going to be pretty easy getting these suckers in. First thing you want to do, these are the pre-wire tabs. This is where whenever you're doing the pre-wire phase, you can run your wire to. That way your speaker wire has something to hang on to. You don't have to sit there and look for it. Where'd it go? Boom, right there. So first things first, we're going to stick this out of the wall. And what we need to do is actually break these tabs off. So just like that. And just like that. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and get this speaker out of the box. Get it opened up. All right, it's looking good. We're going to go ahead and strip the speaker wire down and get it ready, because we're going to go ahead and connect it and then we'll get it in. So I do a fresh clean cut here with pliers. Start with a fresh new clean cut, just like that. Then I use my fine point scissors here to kind of cut the jacket down a little bit. You can also use a utility knife or anything like that. Our speaker wire, guys, has a little wire here, a little cord. You just pull it down, helps peel the jacket back. Just makes things nice and easy. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess off here, just make it a little neater. Then I'm gonna grab my wire strippers here. I usually like to leave about a 1/2 inch. So this thing's perfect. You set it right there. Push it till it hits. Bam, just like that. These are self-adjusting. Super convenient. Bam. Just twist them together. Now you have nice terminal points to plug in your speaker. I'm gonna go ahead and match the hex head onto my drill. That way I have it ready as well. All right, so here is the speaker itself. This is a bad boy. All right. Go ahead and move this out of the way, but I'm gonna leave some styrofoam to set it on. All right. So these are the main push terminals here for this speaker. Black and red, doesn't get too much easier than that. They're push terminals. May grab somebody to help you with this install because these are not light. But I am a trained professional, so don't do this at home. All right. Bam, just like so. Grab my drill. I'm just gonna start up at the top here. Don't want to over tighten them just yet. I like to start on opposing corners. You can kind of hear when things are getting tighter with this. So I have this, you know, on a 13 out of 15 for the amount of torque it's going to give out. Again, this is just bam. You can hear it getting tighter. Bam, that's tight. So now I just want to hand tighten the rest. That's all I'm looking to do. Skip through the boring part of spinning this thing in circles for minutes on end. There it goes. Now it's tight. Hand tighten it the rest of the way. That's all we're looking to do. We're not looking to put any stress, strip anything out. We'll take our time. Got that one. I think I got just quite a bit more actually. There it goes. Now it's tight. See, you just want to get it tight. There it goes, tight. It's a lot of turns with an Allen key. It just saves so much time. I think this dude's like $100, but you do 15 speakers, you know, saves you 10, 20 minutes extra per speaker. Money well spent. All right. Just want to go through here with the Allen key that it came with. Again, just hand tightening the rest of the way. And I think that's gonna do it. All right guys, so thank you for watching this video. This is a quick install. Now after this is all done, just give it a quick wipe with a soft microfiber rag. Speaker looks beautiful. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous with the beryllium tweeter and the M sandwich comb there. You have the Focal Utopia engraved up there at the top. Just a beautiful speaker. This thing's ready to get the painted grill covers on to match this black wall. This is a quick installation video. If you guys are interested in these speakers or anything home theater, feel free to reach out and show your support. I'm here to help. You can call and talk to me or another sales associate. But that's gonna wrap it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.